as the basic theory about the nature of matter. This theory was based on the laws of chemical combination. According to this theory, all matter, whether an element, a compound, or mixture, is composed of small particles called atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of all matter, the smallest unit of an element, which may or may not exist independently but always takes part in a chemical reaction. Origin and meaning of the word atom. Atom is derived from atomos, a Latin word which means indivisible particle, and atomos, a Greek word which means uncut and indivisible. A means not, Thomas means cutting or to cut, as suggested by Greek philosophers Democritus and Leucippus. The main points of his theory are as follows. Each element is composed of extremely small particles called atoms. All matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. These atoms are neither created nor destroyed in chemical reactions. All atoms of a given element are identical in mass and chemical properties. The atoms of different elements are different and have different masses and chemical properties. Atoms of one element cannot be converted into atom of another element. That means all atoms of hydrogen are alike, and the atom of hydrogen cannot be converted into atoms of any other element. Compounds are formed when atoms of more than one element combine with each other. For example, atom of hydrogen combines with an atom of chlorine to form a molecule of hydrogen chloride. Similarly, two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen to form a molecule of water. Atoms combine with one another in simple whole number ratio to form a compound. For example, hydrogen and chlorine combine in 1:1 ratio to form a molecule of hydrogen chloride. Similarly, carbon and oxygen combine in the ratio 1:2 to form a molecule of carbon dioxide. Also, nitrogen and hydrogen combine in the ratio 1:3 to form a molecule of ammonia. Dalton also postulated that atoms of two elements may combine in different ratios to form more than one compound. For example, two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen in the ratio 2:1 to form a molecule of water. Also, two atoms of hydrogen combine with two atoms of oxygen in the ratio 1:1 to form a molecule of hydrogen peroxide. Similarly, one atom of carbon reacts with one atom of oxygen in the ratio 1:1 to form a molecule of carbon monoxide. Also, one atom of carbon can react with two atoms of oxygen in the ratio 1:2 to form a molecule of carbon dioxide. Now, we have understood that the Dalton's atomic theory is the basic theory about the nature of matter, meaning and definition of atom. Also, postulates of Dalton